School is being run. And about 3 katas are not school.
School is one of the party. No,
I am for the school.
you are for the school.
School
So
is
school is the owner of the property.
Yes, yes.
Title has been declared. Injunction
Two,
order passed.
the plot where the building was there and the adjacent plot, both declaration is there. Now, my lord, what happened? What happened, my lord? The school got it into fire. Previous disputes I am not referring. We, out of our own, without having any sanction plan, constructed the building. After it is demolished. Ground and mezzanine I have constructed without sanction plan. I am not saying it. The school is being done, my lord. Disabled persons, childs are there. They are imparting education there. Now, there are several litigation cropped up. Ultimately, it's traveled up to Supreme Court. Supreme Court never said that you demolish that. You say you apply for sanction plan and get it. Then you construct. Ultimately, it reached to a Lordship's Court in a division bench. Kindly come.
The order. Show me the order of the Supreme Court first.
Oh, Supreme Court.
Not annexed.
Well, not necessary for my purpose.
Not annexed also.
Well, kindly come to 106.
No, after that, why division bench? It was remanded to the honorable division bench.
It was demolition order was passed. That has been challenged because if it is demolished, my lord, without having a sanction plan, the students will be on the street. On that
no, I could not follow.
There is after the order of the Supreme Court, demolition order was passed.
No, you constructed a building without plan.
Demolition order passed
by the writ court.
By the authority.
Yes, thereafter
challenge that. And the ultimate order in the challenge is page 106. Well, I repeat, my lord, is rightly the order of demolition passed.
The stay order. Against illegal construction.
Do further order.
Yes.
Now, my lord, my situation is the adjacent plot. I want to make it this key container type accommodation, removable. The adjacent plot where declaration is in my favor. When he is attempted to do that, police is saying no, you cannot do this.
How are related with the private respondent? They are also claiming title. Why the private respondent is obstructing? They are claiming title.
Encroachment. Forgery of the quantum of land.
Decree of the suit, forgery.
I will show you.
Forgery.
Absolutely.
Decree
forged.
Let kindly cease. Kindly cease.
So, my lord, this is the situation today. Now, my lord, if I cannot relocate my students, I cannot dismantle and apply for sanction plan. This is my situation. Police is coming and say you cannot put this type of construction which does not require any sanction plan on my land. See my predicament.
Asking us for what is your prayer?
My prayer is, my lord, shall you see the letter which has been given by the police?
127.
127, kindly come.
The part of record now.
No.
Yes. So police is asking records.
All records produced. Everything. Porcha is annexed here.
A sanction plan you cannot give.
I don't have.
You cannot give. Yes.
And today, my lord,
you are challenging, paying for quashing of this notice.
My lord, overaction of the police. I fortified by the judgment of Apex Court, my lord, 2006 4 Supreme Court cases.
You cannot put the container there. Yes.
They won't allow us to put the content. Record of writer देखा? 50,
No.
Kindly come to
Mr. Basu, show me the schedule. The plot numbers.
Yes, I will show. Well, kindly come to page 50 and 51.
50 and 51.
This is the record of right.
50 is the khajna.
No. 50 is the khajna, 51.
Yes.
Kindly come to the bottom, the description given, school. Sankarpuri, Shiv Thakur, or such and such.
No, where is
Area is 8525.
Pukur Par Mandir? Where is school?
First one is starts with school. School, Sankarpuri. My lord is page 51. Kindly come here.
Pukur Par Mandir. Oh, yes,
Just
yes,
above
school.
Yes.
Yes.
But area, kindly see the area.
0.8520 acre.
0.8520 acre.
Yes.
So this is.
So this is with regard to 1230 plot number.
Yes. 1230.
You said there are two plots or one plot.
Adjacent is also mine.
What is the adjacent?
Mutation
So what was the schedule of the suit property? Was it only 1230?
Kindly come to page 39. At 40, my lord will get the decree. The
40.
schedule of the suit property.
Trying to mistake by that. No, there are many plots.
Yes. At least this plot
1230.
I am concerned.
No.
1230.
Mr. Basu, where this school was originally
1230.
and where do you want to shift?
1230. That is all 1230.
A portion
Entire-
of
entire is-
1230.
Entire is not the school was constructed there.
So you are not concerned with only one plot 1230.
Yes.
In a portion there was a building you want to shift.
Building is illegal, I am saying.
Yes.
It has to demolish.
So in one portion there is a building. You want to shift to another portion of the same plot.
Same plot. With
Yes.
containers, removable structure, not construction.
Yes.
Structure. Kindly see the what type of nature of the construction. 111.
This is the proposed.
This is the proposed one. Eco-friendly, removable, everything. That you will also get at page 114.
All right.
The nature of the material.
Anything more?
Judgment, my lord, may I rely?
For what proposition?
That if I have obtained a decree, even if ex party, it is in my favor, the 226 court can give me police protection. Kindly,
2006.
just a minute, my lord. 2006, 4 SCC 501.
Conquering part. 2006 4 SCC.
Different 501. Relevant paragraph, my lord. I will just only.
I think conquering part first paragraph of that.
This will be easier for my lord. This is marked one. For me, I have a bad habit of marking.
Yes.
5. Sir, Mukesh this. Sir, কোথায় আছে কারেকশন টা? ওই যে কারেক্টেড কি টাইপ? ও হ্যাঁ, ঠিক আছে। হ্যাঁ, পাতাটা বল। 40 পেজ 40 কোথায় ছিল? শিডিউল বি এই 85.20 এটা কত হয়েছে? এইটাই কারেক্ট। বাট কারেকশন করি যে আমরা 152 তো আগেরটা ধরে বসে আছে। এটা 152 তে কারেক্ট হচ্ছে। একদম অর্ডারটা আছে even prima facie, that's the language.
Mr. Basu, what is the effect of the last phrase of that paragraph?
Which paragraph, my lord? 18.
19 you have
19.
placed.
Yes. A writ for a police protection so-called has a only limited scope. As when the court is approached for protection of rights, which I am doing, declared by a decree or by an order passed by a civil court.
Proceed, next sentence.
Yes. It cannot be extended to cases where rights have not been determined either finally by the civil court or at least at an interlocutory stage.
Proceed further, last phrase of that
This
sentence.
is unambiguous manner.
No, and
Last,
to in
after
further
comma.
And
Comma.
then to in furtherance of the decree or order.
What is the meaning of this?
Yeah.
What is the meaning of this?
Decree.
Last phrase.
Decree. So far we are concerned, my lord, decree is passed since 14, not touched.
No. And that too in furtherance of the decree or order, it starts with, it cannot be extended to cases. What is the meaning, effect of the
Effect is, my lord,
last phrase of this paragraph?
same meaning. This is, my lord, interpreting this Justice Dipankar Datta also passed a judgment, giving the same effect. If I have an order, even ex parte, I have a right to be implemented. Now, my lord, one thing, my lord, I show to your lordship, this all, the kindly come to once complete page 40. I have
Paragraph 19 you are relying. Page
page 40
of the writ petition.
of the writ petition. That is the decree. আগেরটা কত ছিল এটা?
Yes.
My lord, kindly come to page 40. This is the decree. Kindly come to the second schedule. Part of schedule A. Has my lord kindly got it? Then
Yes.
kindly lordship will find 85.20 decimal. Has my lord kindly got it?
Yes.
Yes.
85.20.
This is corrected under section 152 of the Code of Civil Procedure. Previously, it was 8.85 decimal.
By mistake. পর্চাটা আবার দেখিয়ে দাও।
So 85.20 is the correct one.
Under section 152 is also correct.
It has been corrected. So,
Millard, my lord, I shall be deeply obliged if your lordship kindly direct my learned esteemed senior friend to produce such application and the order passed.
Yes. কোথায় গেল অর্ডারটা?
application,
Arithmetical error correction 152.
অ্যাপ্লিকেশনটা নেই।
He has made this application and order was passed.
Let him say that this is forged.
No.
Let
I
him
will
say.
not-
No, you have
I
to
will
say.
not- No, I will not say.
This is the part of the decree.
No. He said that this was corrected. I say that if that is so, then I will not urge this.
পর্চার সঙ্গে মেলাও।
Well, kindly get it tallied with the porcha.
Page 51.
Page 51 kindly.
all right. Yes, Mr. Basu, you have Mr. Basu, you have completed.
Both will do. Now, before that, kindly come to the porcha.
Yes,
Page 51.
51, yes.
You know, Porcha, my learned senior friend has taught us this is not a conclusive decision, Millard.
For what?
He is claiming right title and
Title law.
insurance, everything. Rayati Sampati, Millard, Hajrat 5 শতক,
So 0.85 such and such acres.
Which is equal to 85
decimals.
Which is equal to 85
That
decimals.
is
No.
correct.
0.85 acre is.
That is acres.
Yes.
Yes.
That's why it is
0.85 is acres. So, but in the decrease decimals.
Yes.
Originally,
But
by-
quantum is same.
by mistake.
That mistake was
0.8520 is
point was
85.20
previously given.
decimals.
Correct. That's why it was correct.
Now, Millard,
This is 151 correction.
I think
Now, Mr. Bose, what is the difficulty?
Now,
difficulty is
Who are you?
I am the Millard, the actual owner of the land, private respondent. Millard, decree was passed. It was passed, Millard, way back in 1958, Millard, 29th November, the decree was passed. And thereby, Millard, I was entitled to the entire
1958.
858. This is Millard, the suit of just a minute. Repeat the worker. This was passed and affirmed by your lordship's court, presided over by Justice Pareshnath Mukherjee, Millard, as his lordship then was.
absolutely the while.
No, what is your stand with regard
My
to
stand is, Millard,
these decrees, subsequent
no, Millard,
decrees?
first of all, if my learned senior friend's contention with regard to the quantum is correct, was corrected, Millard, in terms of the application under section 152 of the CPC, and this arithmetical error was corrected. my instruction, my lord, there was no such application, at least to the knowledge.
Suo moto can do it.
All right.
No,
So according to you, what was the original one before correction?
my lord, before correction, my lord, that is, my lord, 0.852
0.852
0.8
decimals.
decimal.
Do you have that copy?
My lord, the map, my lord, the
Map.
mat 1120.
No. In
Of
the
the-
schedule,
I tell
so
you, lord.
according to you,
My
so
lord,
this
my
is
learned-
only
My lord,
dispute.
only, my lord. My lord, your lordship has already been informed that the read court, honorable single judge, my lord, has been pleased to direct, my lord, the demolition of the structure. They filed an intra-court appeal, then, my lord, honorable Supreme Court. Supreme Court, my lord, also did not interfere with the order, but, my lord, the additional point was this, my lord, the liberty was granted if they file a sanction plan, my lord, that will be considered in accordance with law. Admittedly, my lord, page, the schedule, my lord, they, my lord, while filing the appeal, my lord, subsequent, whereupon, my lord, the division bench presided over by Justice Bagchi has passed an order, my lord. This record, 88, my lord, and of this appeal, this is their appeal, my lord, they have filed, which says, my lord, that area of 0.8520 and the other portion decimal, and this was, my lord, the pen through, my lord, by the, I do not know who has got the chance.
No, that when it was no
Now, my lord,
came to me, I said there's a difference.
now, my lord, kindly comes to, my lord,
No, this is the decree.
this is a decree, then comes to 82 page. The writ petition, the part was writ petition. This was part of the writ petition. 82 minute of this of your lordship's brief, appeal brief. 88, 82. This brief.
This brief page 82.
82. 88 and 82. 88.
So this
88.
is
sorry.
the petition filed before the
Matt,
division bench.
yes. Matt.
Then it was not corrected.
Matt খুলে রাখ। আর 88
Yes,
তে দেখ।
82, yes.
Yes. 82 also, my lord, it says area of 0.8520. It is a mat.
Where do you get that?
And 88, my lord, kindly comes to 88. Mat 88.
Map
Mat
is
88 to আমার অন্য certificate of
no. There is no map in 88. 88 is the schedule.
88 is a schedule, yes.
Map করতে গেছে ডিগ্রি দেন
Schedule B property part schedule, all that land and measuring.
0.8520 decimals.
that's the wrong.
He said wrong. He said subsequently it was corrected. I said, my lord, if it is 8520 acre, then, my lord, I am requesting my learned senior friend that the application was made and it was corrected. He specifically uttered an application under section 1.
No, so you don't have any dispute with regard to 0.85.
Right. And on that particular 0.8520 decibel as per the schedule, on that, my lord, the structure that was erected, that fully occupied that area, that is coming to, my lord, 3 katas. The Porcha page 50 of the repetition which he has shown, my learned esteemed senior friend, it says 5 shatok. He has been khajna 5 shatok.
খাজনা ignore it.
Ignore it. I agree. But mutation certificate, it says 3 katas. This was never corrected.
3 kathas.
3 katas.
Mutation certificate where?
বার করতে ওটা এখান থেকে তো যন্ত্রটা থেকে in the app.
Well, I am relying on decree only.
No, decree, my lord, I am disputing.
Mr.
This
Basu,
particular-
if he disputes that, correction and
dispute.
other correction with
No.
regard to the quantum
I said
says that figure
No,
is
no, no.
not correct.
Give me a
He
minute. time.
relies upon this 0.8520.
Let him say
page
it.
99. No, I will not say.
Why not?
Mr. Basu,
I will not
It is
say.
not corrected. I am bringing
so
to
who prepared this appeal?
He prepared this appeal.
In this page 88,
Page 99.
it was there. Thereafter it was corrected.
I do not know.
In
I
the-
said, my lord, if he
in the original application, pursuant to the leave granted.
151, 152.
No. There are two aspects. First is you say the decree was corrected before the court below.
When? That is
Millard,
that is
Millard, kindly, Millard,
Yes.